Hotel Santa Fe Loreto offers a unique vacation experience. But before you decide to make the investment, here are 7 key things you need to know. Stay tuned to get the inside scoop. This could save you from making a decision you'll regret. First up, it's important to note that Hotel Santa Fe Loreto stands out among other resorts in the area due to its blend of traditional Mexican architecture with modern amenities. If you're comparing this to other luxury resorts in Loreto, like Villa del Palmar, you'll find that Hotel Santa Fe offers a more intimate, quieter experience, making it perfect for couples or those looking for a peaceful getaway. The resort's proximity to the beach is also a huge selling point, just a short walk away, unlike some of the other resorts that require longer transfers. Next thing to keep in mind is the cost. While Hotel Santa Fe Loreto may not be the cheapest option in the area, it offers excellent value for what you're getting. When compared to other resorts of a similar caliber, like the Hotel Oasis, Santa Fe's prices tend to be more competitive, particularly for the high-end rooms. The added benefit? You get all-inclusive options that cover meals, drinks, and activities, something that adds great value to the overall experience. The third thing to consider is the variety of amenities on offer. The hotel boasts a luxurious spa, 3 restaurants offering a range of delicious local and international cuisines, and multiple pools for relaxation. Compared to other resorts like the Posada del Cortés, you'll find that Hotel Santa Fe Loreto goes the extra mile with its amenities, including beach access, kayaking, and paddleboarding, all included in the package. You won't be hit with hidden fees for these activities, making it a solid option for those who want to make the most out of their stay. Now, one of the things you should really know before buying into Hotel Santa Fe Loreto is that the resort tends to attract a more mature crowd. If you're looking for a family-friendly experience with lots of kids and activities, this may not be your best fit. However, if you're looking for a peaceful retreat without the noise and distractions of a family-oriented resort, this could be exactly what you're after. You'll find that it appeals more to retirees or those in need of a serene atmosphere. The fifth thing to mention is the level of customer service. Hotel Santa Fe Loreto is known for its excellent service, which is something you don't always get at larger resorts. Guests frequently rave about the attentive staff, many of whom go above and beyond to ensure your comfort. If you've ever stayed at a mega resort, you know how impersonal it can feel. Here, it's much more personalized, something that sets it apart from competitors. The sixth thing you should know is the location. While it's a bit removed from Loreto's bustling city center, this actually works in the resort's favor. The peaceful environment and stunning views of the Sea of Cortez make this an idyllic spot for a relaxing vacation. Compare this to staying in a more central location, where you might sacrifice tranquility for convenience. If you're looking to truly escape, the location of Hotel Santa Fe Loreto is a major advantage. The seventh and final thing you need to know is the overall value of buying into a stay at Hotel Santa Fe Loreto. With all-inclusive packages, beach access, amazing dining options, and exceptional service, it stands out in a crowded field of luxury resorts. Sure, you can find cheaper options in Loreto, but they don't always offer the same level of service and experience. When you weigh the cost against the quality, it's clear that Hotel Santa Fe Loreto is a great choice for anyone looking for a luxurious and relaxing getaway. So, if you're considering booking a stay at Hotel Santa Fe Loreto, make sure you check out the first link in the description below. You'll get the best deal and even a free trial to test out their services. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link and secure your stay today.